The Oyster 675 is a remarkable sailing yacht designed to offer true versatility to her owners. She is immensely capable of sailing anywhere in the world and has plenty of space on board to accommodate a growing family, a group of friends and your professional crew. Sailing short-handed is also a dream, with her push-button sailing controls allowing you to easily sail the yacht with just 2 people. With Oyster's iconic wraparound deck saloon windows and triple Seascape windows in both the saloon and master cabin, the Oyster 675 stands out from the crowd and is instantly recognisable anywhere in the world. Her sleek and flush decks add style and substance, whilst her powerful hull form with twin rudders makes her a pleasure to sail and delivers fast passage times. Her twin helm stations offer superb visibility and all the sailing controls are easy to reach. Hydraulic mainsail and headsail furling are fitted as standard, giving you full control of your sail plan at just the touch of a button. There is plenty of room for all your navigational instrumentation, so you can be in touch with where you are and where you're going. A retractable bow and stern thruster is fitted as standard, giving you full control for those tricky marina berths. Large helm seats with solid backrests, grab handles and sunken footwells combine to give ample protection when sailing in heavy weather. The helm seats themselves lift up to reveal dedicated stowage for all those items you want close at hand. The main sheet winch is conveniently located behind the port helm seat, giving you full control of the main sheet without having to leave the cockpit. Primary winches are located behind the helm seats, with sheets running through the cockpit coaming to keep them out of the way. The winches are safely controlled with these push buttons mounted on the top of the cockpit coaming. A 2-to-1 single point main sheet is located on the centerline. Access into the full-width lazarette is through this large hatch. There is plenty of room in here to stow all your fenders, lines and water sports equipment. You can choose to fit comfortable teak push pit seats, which give you a superb view while sailing or whilst at anchor. If desired, you can fit this impressive super yacht style hydraulic swim platform, which adds a dedicated swim deck on board. The aft face of the swim platform has moulded in teak-lined steps for easy access onto the yacht when the platform is closed, and if fitted, makes tender launch and recovery from davits super simple. You can also choose to fit this neat cassette hydraulic passerelle, which makes for easy access on and off the yacht when berthed stern to. Both the swim deck and cassette passerelle are operated from this dedicated panel located on the central section of the push pit. The swim platform itself has plenty of room for all your water sports equipment and also makes boarding the yacht from your tender a dream. If desired, you can fit an access hatch direct into your lazarette from the swim deck, making it easier to access those masks and fins for snorkeling on those tropical reefs. The foredeck of the 675 is beautifully clean, very practical and stylish. Removable dorades give you the option of natural ventilation whilst at sea, and once anchored they can be easily removed to give you a completely clear foredeck that is perfect for sunbathing or entertaining alike. The 675 stem head projects the anchor far enough forward to protect her bow and also gives the ideal tack point for an asymmetric spinnaker or code 0. The windlass, complete with warping drum, is mounted just after the stem head and neatly stows the chain down into this large, partitioned anchor locker, complete with freshwater anchor wash system. A unique and very practical feature of the 675 is this large watertight sail locker. There is plenty of room in here to neatly stow the yacht's downwind sails and their associated running rigging. Mooring cleats can be stowed while sailing, adding to the sleek lines of the yacht and eliminates the possibility of running rigging being caught around them while sailing. The 675 is fitted with a powerful yet simple swept-back rig, making her easy to sail. Her 105% head sail makes sailing manoeuvres like tacking and jibing light work. Her composite chain plates are fitted to the outboard edge of the hull, keeping her decks clear and at the same time reduces compression in her rig. The head sail is sheeted inboard and runs close to the inboard edge of the deck. This keeps her deck clear and eliminates any flailing sheets over the deck. This simple fold-out boarding ladder makes it easy to step on board whilst alongside a marina berth or from the yacht's tender. The guest cockpit of the 675 has ample room for everyone on board. It is well protected by the large spray hood, and some protection is provided by a large canvas bimini that spans the entire cockpit of the 675. There is a large cockpit table that folds out to seat 8 people comfortably. A large refrigerated drinks locker is accessed from the top of the table. This is perfect for keeping those drinks cold, ready for a few sundowners after a great day on the water. Around the cockpit there are ample grab handles allowing for easy movement throughout the cockpit whilst the yacht is under sail. The interior joinery style, wood choices and upholstery are all chosen by each owner in consultation with our in-house stylist and your dedicated Oyster project manager, so you can make your Oyster a true home from home. Down below you will find the large airy saloon is flooded with light from both the iconic panoramic deck saloon windows and triple Seascape windows on both the port and starboard side. The finish of our handcrafted joinery is superb, with solid wood corner posts and shadow gaps styled in as standard. On port you will find seating with the perfect view out through the Seascape windows. On starboard is a large fixed dining table with ample room for 8 to dine in comfort. The navigation station is cleverly styled into the saloon. This large pop-up flat-screen TV is beautifully stowed behind the saloon seating. You can catch your favourite movie whilst enjoying full cinema surround sound that is discreetly fitted into the saloon. Privacy while berthed alongside is achieved with these blinds on the deck saloon windows and Seascape windows. If desired, these can be upgraded to be motorised. One of the most unique yet simple Oyster features are the forward opening deck saloon windows. These open on gas struts and create a superb natural wind scoop, which provides excellent ventilation when the yacht is anchored. To aid moving around the yacht whilst under sail, you will find discreet and styled in grab handles for added safety. All available space is partitioned to maximise stowage on board the 675. The superb dedicated service bay has been designed into the centre of the saloon for ease of maintenance. Many of the yacht's systems which require regular checks are led into this space. Seawater inlets, including their crossover valves, fuel filtration and polishing systems, and water maker primary filters, to name a few, are all easily accessed in here. Access into the yacht's engine room is through these 2 double doors located on the inboard side of the passageway aft to the master cabin. This gives unparalleled access to the main engine, genset and all the systems contained within. The 675's full-width master cabin with triple Seascape windows is absolutely stunning. There is ample stowage everywhere you look, and a full-height mirror on the bathroom door further increases the feeling of space. With dedicated book stowage and a stool for the vanity unit on the starboard side and sofa on the port side, every inch of this cabin has been intelligently designed. Reading lights, air conditioning and AV systems are all within easy reach of the berth. Upholstered headboards are standard with a wide range of fabrics for you to choose from. The Seascapes are an Oyster masterpiece and flood the cabin with natural light to increase the feeling of space and at the same time give the cabin a unique perspective, whether at anchor or whilst under sail. The master cabin's ensuite is complete with power shower, heated towel rails, a large sink and electric WC. There is plenty of room to stow all of your toiletries whilst on board. The 675's forward guest cabin is flooded with natural light from Oyster's unique Seascape window and combined with large hull ports on either side of the hull. There is a full-width island berth with ample stowage beneath, and drawers in the foot of the berth add to this. Hanging lockers on the port and starboard side provide further stowage for guests using this cabin. Air conditioning is cleverly styled into the cabin and easily controlled from this panel beside the berth. This cabin is en suite and comes complete with its own power shower, electric WC and heated towel rails. Between the saloon and the forward guest cabin, you will find another large double guest cabin on starboard. This cabin can be used for extra guests on board, or some owners use this cabin for their professional crew. Hanging lockers at the forward and aft end of the cabin and drawers underneath the bunk deliver a huge amount of stowage space, which is perfect for those longer passages. On the port side of the forward passageway, you will find another bathroom. This serves the starboard double guest cabin and also can be used as a dayhead if so desired. Aft of the saloon on the starboard side is the 675's bunk cabin. In here, you will find two large single berths complete with side stowage, hanging locker and drawers. The U-shaped galley is extremely well equipped and superb when the yacht is at sea. Natural ventilation is supplied by an opening port light into the cockpit above the sink, and an integrated powerful extraction hood is fitted above the cooker to add forced ventilation whilst cooking. The galley worktops have integrated fiddles which allow easy cleaning and keep all the spillages on the worktop and not on the cabin sole. You will find a large twin stainless steel sink on the starboard side with hot and cold running water, and you can choose to fit an instant boiling water tap if desired. A full height custom fridge and freezer is fitted as standard. This maximises refrigeration space and comes complete with digital temperature gauges, internal circulation fans and heated door seals, all of which provide excellent and reliable refrigeration on board. The Oyster 675 comes with a 5-burner gas cooker as standard, and the cooker itself is equipped with a crash bar and is gimbaled to allow easy cooking whilst the yacht is heeled. An integrated washer-dryer can be fitted if desired into this space, which is cleverly disguised by this opening door. You can choose to fit a microwave into the galley to add more cooking facilities if desired. All Oyster custom dinner sets and glasses are neatly stowed behind the sink in this locker. The navigation station is the nerve centre of the 675. There is ample room for all your navigation instrumentation, including space for your own inbuilt PC, so you can work and connect to the world from here. Electronic navigation is intuitive with this touchscreen chart plotter and radar, which also can control the mast camera if fitted. You can easily monitor your power consumption and state of charge of your service batteries from the Master View monitoring system, giving you peace of mind and full control of your battery management. The generator is also controlled from this panel with a simple touchpad start-stop control system. Tank levels are monitored from here too, giving you an accurate view of both fuel and water on board, so there are no surprises. If desired, an Inmarsat satellite phone system can be fitted, giving you global communication when you need it. The AC/DC distribution panels are located behind the chart table with integral circuit protection for all the systems on board. In summary, the Oyster 675 is a truly versatile sailing yacht for those who are looking for a yacht that will accommodate their growing family, friends and crew in true comfort and style. She is immensely capable and will sail you safely anywhere in the world. So if you're thinking of joining the Oyster family, then we would love to hear from you. Get in touch via our website, and we look forward to speaking to you very soon.